dad sandals. How stunning are these? I bought this bag from Mango. Guys, Molweni, it's after work. I had some deliveries come through this week and I've basically been storing my shoes in the boot. I wanted to show you real quick what I got from H&M. I got these cute shoes, these dad sandals. How stunning are these? I think if I can keep these for a year, it justifies me getting the Chanel ones. Are you with me? And then I got these sandals. These aren't sandals, something. What are they called? From H&M. I got this in gold and I got this in brown. I really do think that I might have overdone it there, but because it's not necessary for me to have both colors, but I really think the brown will work. Well, I think both of them will work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find the other gold and brown ones that I don't wear anymore and give those away. I'm going to start doing if I buy one, I need to let go of something because it's ridiculous. Thought I'd let you guys in on a random unboxing on a random, what's today? Tuesday. What do I need? No, nothing. How do people vlog? I need to know, how do people vlog? Is that gonna stay? Because I feel like Nyangbon. Yes. So Sanbanani guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a bit of a different one this time around. I wanted to let me just warm up the car. I wanted to start this vlog here and introduce the vlog. You'll see bits of pieces of everything, but basically it's the first time I'm vlogging, and I wanted my channel to be a fashion channel, and it will predominantly be a fashion channel, but I also want to let you guys in on my life a bit, you know. So welcome back to my channel. I hope you've subscribed. I hope you like what you'll be seeing in this vlog. And it's also so strange because, you know, when you watch too much YouTube and you know people's like intros and you try not to obviously imitate your faves a lot. So I don't want to do that. I still don't have an intro, which is perfectly fine. I'm actually not in a rush to have an intro for this channel. I just want to see how this goes. I want to see where this goes even. And so we'll trial this, we'll see how it goes, and if obviously I receive a love from you guys, and if you guys love this type of content where there's fashion in between and a bit of a vlog here and there, let me know what you think. But personally, I like sit down videos, and that's why I create that kind of content. So yeah, let me know. We're going to be doing a lot in this, excuse me, not a lot, guys. My life is actually very boring. Hey, like, I don't get to do a lot of things. Like, I am a Netflix and chill kind of girl. So I don't even know where I wear all these clothes that I buy to, mostly to work, but like some of them aren't appropriate for work. So I will see what we get up to, but we are gonna go out for Sunday lunch and have a dinner date with some friends on Tuesday. And basically this vlog ends in tears, literal tears. But that's the paradox of life, is that you could literally be living in an answered prayer, but there could be things that you're experiencing that that remind you that you're human, because nobody has a perfect life, and that's okay. You know, we roll with the punches, and here we are. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, bye guys. guys, I hope you are still enjoying this vlog. Let's do a quick unboxing. I think these random unboxings in the car, I don't understand why they sent me such a big box. This is from Superbalist. I don't understand why they sent me such a big box for a small item. Oh, hold on. There's another box of, oh, I bought this bag. How stunning. I bought this bag from Mango. You might have seen a variation. How do I open it? I've seen a variation of this bag from Shein and Zara, but I didn't like how big the gold detail on the Zara one was, and to be honest, I didn't need anything else on Shein, so I didn't order, because I feel like, you know, you Shein order, you must stack it up. Guys, how do I open this thing? Here? Anyway, I'm wearing this outfit today because it's the same outfit that I wore when I went to dinner with my friends last week, and I thought it would be great for me to just come here and obviously show you guys what I'm wearing. Guys, how do I open this thing? Is there a manual? Guys, I can't open it. I legit can't open it. I keep getting these gibbets with my Superbalist order. I think this is really cute because it's Croctober and Crocs is having a big sale. Yeah. Yo, guys, I legit can't open this bag, but anyway, this is the bag. It's cute or whatever. I wanted to show it to you guys so I can, you know, demonstrate. I'll put a picture. It's sold, this specific color is sold out. Yeah, it's got a scratch. It's in the bag. This specific color is sold out. It's sold out on the Superbalist website. I don't think Mango International Sites has it, so I'll try and link it if I find it, or I will just insert a picture of an alternative that you can get. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen this bag everywhere. Anyway guys, let me figure this out, and I hope you're still enjoying this vlog, and yeah, let's touch base. I don't know when. Bye guys. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye guys. Oh, good to see you. Thanks for the invite.
So long. I don't know. When did I see you?
I don't know. Was it not?
Have we seen you in Cape Town?
No. It's when I got over here.
I think we saw you when you came to Mesh one time. Like,
Yes, yes, when I came to pick up my belt from Kamu.
yes, yeah.
Oh, this is really good.
It's good, hey? Well, I don't know if we're having the same thing, but this is also
Well,
it's delicious.
A lot of Africans have nostalgic memories of going in the forest.
I actually remember this as well.
Yes, and just picking on it and having a bite. It has a lemon zesty flavor, and we suggest you grab it once cold. Enjoy.
It's made on an open fire this morning, and then on the brown drum, small drum, you have a smoked crab butter with some dough powder on top, and then on the bread knife.
Where are you from, if you don't mind me asking? Joburg. Yes. All of you.
Yes.
Oh.
Joburg. I'm from Joburg.
I kept telling you. Now she is.
2 years since kept her, yeah.
Okay.
Can you tell?
No, I couldn't. I actually thought all of you are from here.
Ah, nice. Yan panale ba?
And have is the parsley dumpling. Which is served with some Jerusalem artichoke. Shiitake mushrooms. Fish of the day is a kinkler, which is served on a bed of potato and sweet ink. Then we've got some fried garlic, fried lime leaf. To finish the dish off, this is some basil.
I want to do this.
Your two different dishes, but similar in some ways. So, what we have for you, yours is your sake steamed pork cheek. What we have on top, we have ariac as well as a celeriac gel, a sultana dressing to add a lovely sweetness. You have your finely shaved shiitake mushrooms. On your side is your celeriac ribbon that's been slightly pickled. You then also have, what I poured around for you, is a little bit of a chicken bone broth. And then last but not least is your pork and herb crunch. It has crispy pork, crispy herbs, and then crispy onion and garlic.
Beautiful.
managed to open it and take out the straps, but now I cannot open it to put back the straps. So, and yes, I'm gonna ask my husband to help me with that. But I just wanted to open this other box quickly. I've been waiting for this package, I don't know for how long, guys. I ordered from I don't have a scissors, and I'm trying to be very quick. Let me see. Anyway. Guys, I just wanted to thank you for making it this far. If you have, yo guys, fighting with this thing, and I just want to open it and see this box because I don't have boxes in my house. Okay. Yo. In this can. Oh, banda. Oh, banda. How gorgeous. Okay, wait. Let's just destroy this. Everything. Yo. Guys. Oh, smells like an actual basket. How stunning is this bag? I got it from my basket shop. I will insert their WhatsApp details and share their details. Delivery was very slow, so order at your own risk. I believe they probably had an influx of orders, because I saw it on Simply Relebohile on Instagram, and then I ordered it. Oh, it's stunning, it's stunning, my angels. Stunning bag. We come to the end of this vlog. Just wanted to thank you for picking up with me, and yeah, for experiencing this week with me. I love you all so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this vlog. I'd like to thank you for joining with me. My son going to hospital really rocked me. He's hardly ever sick, and he's never been hospitalized outside of the time that I gave birth to him. So I'm really thankful to God for blessing me with a healthy boy. But it's been very challenging, because I've also haven't been feeling the best, and trying to show up as a mom and a wife with a sick baby it's been the actual trenches, because there's also so much that's happening at work, that deadlines needed to be met, submissions needed to be done. So I have just been dragged. I'm gonna take the next couple of days to just try and fill my cup, try to rest, and I think I need to be centered so I can show up as a better person for all my loved ones. I would like to thank you guys so much for journeying with me through this time. And I wish you a wonderful and lovely week, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.